I am here to speak on behalf of the party people. We are here to appeal that we the party people should join our brothers in Anioma state. We are marginalized in Igbo state because we are minorities. When Delta state was created, our brothers were assigned to Delta state. The Igbo people, the Igbo people, the people who are cat. But we, as a black people, we belong to the cat tribe. They left us in Igbo state. So in Igbo state, we are just marginalized because we are minorities. So we are here to appeal that justice should be done. That they should take us to join our brothers so that we can eat with the same plate with them. It's a noble appeal. Please help us to be in the Anioma state.
My name is Ambassador Chief Judo Bekile JP. I am standing here to support the creation of Anioma state and the inclusion of the good people of the 6th Autonomous Kingdom of Igbanke. We were erroneously founded in Edo State. We are not from Edo. We don't speak Benin. We don't speak Isan. We don't speak Esako. We answer Igbo names. When we go to Benin, they refer to us as Owigbo and Oweka. We cannot continue to be in a state where we are being marginalized. We cannot continue to be in a state where we are being oppressed. If our people go to look for ordinary local government authority, you have to go to different steps before they can give it to you. Why? Because you have Igbo name in your names. Please, we are begging that Igbanke should be included in the proposed Anioma state. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. The next we shall call on His Royal.
I've said it time without number. It's not lack of money that's making us perish in this country. The richest man, Dangote, is from Nigeria. Money did this country. It is not bad government that's making us perish in this country. I know bad government exists, but we are the problem. It is not lack of anointing. The last time I checked, no leader in Nigeria has declared to be an atheist that doesn't believe in God. They're either Christian, Muslim, pagans. Yet, the country is perishing because spiritual power is not the problem. The problem is that we lack knowledge. We don't get sense. And this goes down that we're not seeking information. This is called information age. How many Nigerian youth are seeking information? I gave this information for free online. There's going to be a sitting of the House of Rep on boundary adjustment. How many of you visited it? When Buhari said that Nigerian youth are lazy, you think he's joking. That's why out of 250 million Nigerians, only one very dark man they exist. It's not even up to 0.000% of Nigerian population. So when people come on my page and said, you are revealing your secret, even if I said it before it happened, none of them will take advantage of it because we are lazy. Now Jarvis and Pella, they take our mind. The next thing, you start dragging people and preaching propaganda. Look at how they are preaching propaganda, giving themselves false hope. Online telling you that Gazette publish it, 12 states will be greater than Anioma is not included. Thank you very much. I love it that way. And you an Igbo man, being emotional, running up and down, stop asking me such nonsense question. If you want to believe it, it's left for you. That is the truth. Believe it. The real people are on ground, they're not on social media. You see them there in Yonogwa Bayelsa, tabling their issue that they want to leave Edo State, Boundary Adjustment Committee on Constitutional Amendment. And it's not only Igbanke. I told you in the last video that it's Shakiri community that want to leave Edo State. It's Shakiri and Ijo. They're also in the boundary adjustment in Yonogwa Bayelsa there. Because the South own is now held in Bayelsa, not in Uyo, like the last time public hearing. There are other one people, the Enugu still hold their own for Southeast, and the Igbanke people still went there. You saw the two videos. Thank you, the Igbanke people. We love you. This is why I'm saying it is not the government that is our problem. You guys are not ready to hold your government accountable. Just one proposal we give to Ned Nwoko, who can see the effect of it. If the governors are doing well, why should we want to leave the state? Why do we need another state? If the government are doing, if the governors are doing well, why do you think that the Igbos will be clamoring for another one state? That is it now. Onchumo does not have road. My own village, that road that leads everywhere to north, does not have a road. If you go there, trailer don't fall full everywhere. And they will tell us it's federal road, but our people, they die for that road every day. Tell me one thing that SARS have done for you. If you want to create a state, create it and leave it in Anioma. In fact, I'm not against you being an Igbo person or having Anioma, but you have to leave. I'm not saying a Fulani you be. You leave and go to Southeast. Of course, we are going to Southeast. Because Southeast is the state, is where the Anioma state will be created to. But I know your fear is that the land is going with us. Of course, the land belongs to us. If you want to claim it, you should do like Fulani. Take cutlass and start fighting us. Because that's who you are. What your forefather did in the past is what we want to repeat. Claiming people's land. Preaching propaganda. Hold your governors, hold your senators accountable. If they are doing well, the Shakiri and the Jaws and the Igbanke will not want to leave. But you people are fueling it with hatred. You are facing Indigo, other people are cutting you across. This thing is not only in Edo State. Oh. There are other places in Nigeria where people are dissatisfied with their location and with the treatment they have. So in the 6th political zone, they are publishing this and people are going to table their own. So you will see a lot of villages that will be caught and join other people. But you people are not taking advantages of the law. Just come online and be creating false hope. And I'm happy for it, oh. I'm happy. Yesterday I was on the road for more than 8 hours, visiting kings to kings, visiting kingdom to kingdom in Anioma because we want to have a successful conference. After doing all the work, you think me and you are the same. You want to come online. You have forgotten I'm called talkative because I talk and active. I talk and do the work. The truth is, many of you will learn the hard way, like the VDM said. And I like what is going on. I've said it time without number. It is not bad government that's making us to perish in this country. And I will repeat it again. We know that the government are bad, but we are the one who are making the government to be more worst. Because many of you had the opportunity yesterday to go for boundary adjustment public hearing, contribute, counter them. But you are here online giving yourself false hope. I say if you are not learning anything for 2023 election, you should have learned by now that social media will not give you much things. Grassroots politics is what works. Am I giving myself credit? No. But I'm using myself to show an example how it's supposed to be. Take advantage of the law. Study the constitution, take advantage of it. No. You are just online. Shouting, insulting everybody. Preaching propaganda, giving yourself false hope. Clap for yourself. Content creator, clap for yourself. I'll be here to remind you and I'll be here to educate you. And as I talk finish, I close my phone, I'm off to do the working. That is why I'm called Talk Active. The day you people understand this truth, that's the day you become free. And that's the day you know that we are not your problem. You are your own personal problem. When you are pointing one finger to people, 3 is saying you are the major problem. Have you taken advantage? Have you learned anything? In this quest, have you learned anything? Are you learning? You are not learning. Instead of you to learn, you see it from a blind angle and start insulting us. Nigeria will work if you will drop this your nonsense thing you are doing and face your politicians. And say the truth the way it is. This is a good Sunday. We are holding a conference 29th and 30th of August. Please support us. We cannot fail. We want to solve this identity crisis once and for all. Ndina Sobia is one hosting it, and we, the Igbo Unification Movement team, are going to be behind it. Thank you and God bless you. I'm out of here, Joe.